The climate of India. Learning objectives. Understand weather, season, climate. Explore India's monsoon climate. Identify climate factors. Examine India's primary seasons. Learn about summer season. Study monsoon season. Discover winter season. Startup. Today, you learn about weather, season, and climate. Weather changes quickly. Monsoon brings heavy rains. Winter is very cold in some parts of India. Learning tip. Weather, temperature, hot or cold. Rainfall, heavy, light. Wind, windy, breezy, no wind. Weather and climate. Read to understand the difference between weather, season, and climate. Weather refers to the atmospheric conditions of a particular day or for a very short period. Season refers to the natural periods in which the year is divided based on atmospheric conditions. Climate covers the pattern of weather conditions over a long period of time. That is, weather is temporary and changes quickly, while climate remains stable for a long period of time. India has a monsoon climate as the monsoon influences most of its regions. India is a large country and experiences changes in climate. In some places, temperatures are very high, but others are very cool. Similarly, some areas receive heavy rains, while others may not see any rain for years. Factors that affect the climate of India. The climate of a place is influenced by temperature, rain, wind, its location, mountains, and physical features. Read and learn about them. Location. The Tropic of Cancer passes through India. As a result, India is a tropical country with a hot and humid climate. Proximity to the sea. Since India is a large peninsula country, many states are close to the sea. The wind and rainfall patterns in these states differ from those in other states. The Himalayas. The tall Himalayas protect the country from cold winds. They also keep the monsoon clouds within the Indian subcontinent. Physical features. As we have learned in earlier chapters, India has a variety of physical features. They impact the climate, direction of winds, and amount of rainfall. Seasons. India's climate is divided into three seasons, namely summer, winter, and monsoon. The northeast India and the Kashmir Valley experience spring and autumn also. Summer season. The summer season begins in mid March and lasts until the end of June. The main feature of this season is longer days and shorter nights. North India experiences hot and dry winds called Lu. Dust storms are also common there. Southern India is surrounded by the sea on three sides, so it is less hot. Monsoon season. The monsoon or the rainy season starts in June and lasts until September. Moisture laden winds from the Indian Ocean enter India in two branches, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch reaches the Malabar coast by 1st June and moves north along the western coast. The Bay of Bengal branch brings rainfall to the northern plains. By mid-July, most of the country receives monsoon rains. The eastern and western coasts, along with the northeastern states, get heavy rains. Do you know? Churu, the gateway to the Thar Desert in Rajasthan, has recorded a temperature as high as 50 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, the temperature drops to minus 45 degrees Celsius at Dras in Jammu and Kashmir. India gets three-fourths of its total annual rainfall during the monsoon, but rainfall distribution is uneven. Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives over 800 cm of rain annually, but parts of Rajasthan receive less than 10 cm. This is because winds lose moisture as they travel inland. The Tamil Nadu coast gets monsoon rains between November and January. Monsoon plays a crucial role in Indian agriculture. Crop cycles depend on its arrival. Delays or below average monsoons may cause agricultural and economic losses. Winter season. Winter is the cold season that lasts from mid November to February. During winter, nights are long and days are short. North and central India have very cold weather in December and January. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Punjab have very low temperatures for the following reasons. These areas are landlocked and away from the sea. Snowfall in the Himalayas bring cold waves to North India. Western disturbances originating in the Mediterranean region cause cold waves, frost, and fog in the north and west regions of India. South India and the coastal areas do not have a winter season because the nearby sea controls the temperatures. Mind map: the climate of India. Weather versus climate. Weather: daily atmospheric conditions. Climate: long-term weather patterns. Factors that affect climate: location, proximity to the sea, altitude of a place, amount of rainfall, direction of winds. India's monsoon climate: variations, high or low temperatures, heavy or light rainfall. Seasons: summer, hot, dry, long days. Monsoon: rainy, uneven distribution, crucial for agriculture. Winter: cold, short days, changing temperatures. Chapter at a glance. Weather refers to short-term atmospheric conditions, while climate refers to long-term patterns of atmospheric conditions. India has a monsoon climate experiencing variations in temperature and rainfall. Factors affecting India's climate: location, nearness to the sea, the Himalayas, and the physical features. India has three seasons: summer, winter, and monsoon, with additional spring and autumn in some regions. Monsoon is crucial for Indian agriculture because crop cycles depend on rain. Winter affects mainly North and Central India. South India and coastal areas have mild winters because the sea controls the temperature.